100,000 pesos or $100,000 in a month, kahit walang business background. Today, I'll show you a simple and duplicable system na ginagamit ng karamihan ng mga successful atomian at pwede mo ring simulan today. Ako po si Diamond Master Alim Pilapil Minorca, Auto Sales Master ng Atomy Atlanta Center, Atomy America, and my passion is to help you na magkaroon ng isang balansing buhay habang ginagawa si Atomy na simple, madaling i-duplicate at masayang gawin. So, let's start. Let me just share you my screen. Welcome to all the newcomers and leaders who's here. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with, let me just make sure it's moving. Let's start with our company motto. Please unmute your mic. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Go.
Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serving humility,
Serving humility, Aja.
Okay. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala kung ano si Atomy, welcome dito sa ating Tuesday Atomy. Kasi every Tuesday, we are here to learn simple things na paulit-ulit nating ginagawa. Whether you like it or not, gagawin at gagawin nyo rin. Dahil ang isang Atomy ay isang platform na pwede nyong gawing business, gawing opportunity, pwedeng i-share sa iba one step at a time. So, thank you sa lahat na naglaan ng time at narito para matuto today. Please share the company profile and listen carefully kasi this is the best company you will ever know.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global network marketing company with a presence across the globe. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices, Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. Developed as part of a national project by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, Hemohim holds 23 international patents and made history in 2023 by being the first in the country to offer dual health benefits, immune boost and fatigue relief. Absolute Cell Active Skincare, a flagship product, has surpassed 1 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales. It received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office, a first in cosmetics, and was named a world-class product for next generation by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. Atomy prioritizes customers, earning customer-centered management certification for 3 consecutive years, a rare industry feat. Since opening its US branch in 2010, Atomy has grown into a global hub, linking producers and consumers worldwide through 27 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, and Europe. Atomy products have proven highly popular in international markets, topping exports in health functional foods and over-the-counter medications. Following the $300 million Export Tower Award, the company's total exports reached $1.8 billion in 2024. After launching its EU branch, Atomy plans to expand globally, focusing on Africa, Central and South America, and other emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomy's success system, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. Success seminars that bridge online and offline realms vividly communicate Atomy's vision to members worldwide, presenting a vision of global success that goes beyond time and space by merging business and culture. The ACT project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower active members around the world. Atomy continues to provide unwavering support for success, including the reopening of Songnisan Forest as a hub for the Atomy brand experience. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price, and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies, such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. Atomy is implementing various policies to ensure sustainable coexistence with the Earth. The company promotes resource recycling and environmental restoration through product renewals aimed at zero plastic initiatives, increasing the use of biodegradable plastics and eco-friendly materials, and introducing smart packaging solutions. Atomy's contributions surpass not only its industry and the distribution sector, but also stand at the top level nationally. Over the past 3 years, the company's donation percentage relative to revenue has been 30 times that of the distribution industry, ranking first among Korea's top 500 companies. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Great Place to Work Korea. Atomy's culture of sharing has expanded beyond national borders, with the company, members, partner companies, and executives actively engaging in social contribution activities worldwide. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are Proud Atomy.
So, yan po yung ating company profile. Palakpakan natin. So, kung hindi po masyadong naintindihan, panoorin uli or mag-log in sa Channel Atomy. We have the Filipino version ng ating company profile. So, it's another Tuesday. Congratulations sa lahat na nakakuha ng cashback or commission sa Atomy. So, Atomy has been founded in, kailan nga? Nakinig ba? I-type nga kung nakinig dun sa company profile. Anong year? Nabuha, anong term doon? Anong year founded? Anong year founded si Atomy? Comment sa baba kung nakinig. Okay? Kung hindi naman, okay lang. And then we have the global presence up to 27 countries, including headquarter natin sa Korea. Meron ng 15 million na members worldwide. Actually, naging 16 million yan, pero siguro pinabayaan yung account. Ayan, hindi bumili ng isang produkto, so nag-expire. And we are offering daily essentials. So mahalagang malaman kung ano yung website. Yung old website natin, tsaka yung website natin today is active pa rin. Kahit saan kayo mag-login, pupunta pa rin doon. So, if you wanna learn more about our company, go to atomy.com or global.atomy.com. Nandyan yung history ng ating company. Shopping mall para sa Pilipinas, ayan, atomy.com/ph or ph.atomy.com. Pwede kayong mamili ng mga produktong kailangan nyo. So, kung napansin nyo, hinighlight ko yung PH kasi sa ibang countries, magpapalit lang yung dalawang letra. So, kung US, magiging US yan, Canada, CA, Singapore, magiging SG. So, yun yung difference ng mga website. 27 online shopping mall. Yung iba gumagamit ng app. We have the Atomy Shop app. Okay, and if you want to be part of the Marinduque Global Center, kung first time nyo manood ng video nito, you can scan the QR code and be part of the Marinduque Global Center under the leadership of our center head, Sales Master Elena Pilapil. Pero kung may nag-invite sa inyo at alam mong may sponsor ka, make sure you reach out to your sponsor kung paano maging part ni Atomy. And of course, ang lahat ng video mapapanood, replay sa online academy natin sa channel Atomy. Bawat country merong kanya-kanyang videos. And of course, myself, meron akong Rally Anatomy 101, Rally Anatomy 101 FB page, at saka Rally Anatomy 101 YouTube channel. So, kung gusto nyo mapakinggan yung mga luma kong lectures or kung gusto nyo lang akong pagtawanan sa mga dati kong lectures, ayan, pwede nyo yung panoorin. And of course, kung gusto nyo mag-shopping, kung sakaling wala yung product sa inyong online shopping mall sa Pilipinas or sa US or sa Canada, check baka meron sa Global Mall. Direkta from Korea, you can shop with your own access. So, very powerful yung inyong Global ID. Make sure alagaan na hindi ma-expire. At saka, yan na yung pinakamagandang combination ng number na madidiscover mo. Imagine, way back prior to 2009, our Chairman Hangil Park, nangarap lang siya na itayo itong ating company na Atomy. During that time, in his very first presentation, 17 tao lang yung nag-attend. But this time, we have 15 Imperial Masters. At lahat ng pasung-paso na sa network marketing, binago ni Atomy. Kasi lahat ng pangit sa network marketing business na meron kayong nalaman in the past, inalis yan ni Atomy. Very simple, di ba? Well-balanced and righteous compensation plan kasi hindi lang yung ng mga nauna ang pwedeng makarating sa tuktok. Lagi nating sinasabi, see you all at the top. So sa ating primary topic today, sabi ko, paano nga ba kumita ng 100,000 pesos or $100,000 sa Atomy? Kasi sa Atomy may ceiling. Ang ceiling is $100,000 in a month. Okay, in a month. So, almost 5 million pesos in a month. Totoo ba ang sinasabi ni D. Raylan? Of course, totoo kasi nangyayari na yan sa mga successful na Atomian. So, I do encourage you to watch the path of all the successful leaders, especially yung mga Imperial Masters, kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila. At kopyahin natin kasi ako, isang Diamond Master, nangangarap din ako na makarating sa successful journey na maging Imperial Master. And for the time being, as a Diamond Master, habang nandito pa ako sa stage nito, ang goal ko is makaproduce ng at least 100 million, not 100 million, sorry, 100, but why not? Posible yan, no? 100 na tao na maging millionaire through the Atomy Cashback. Okay, 100. And I'll keep track. So, you can count me accountable. So, if you're serious, you can always plug in and listen to us. Bakit posible na kumita ng ganito kay Atomy? Dahil itong mga strengths and features na meron ng isang Atomy business. Kailangan mo lang mag-alaga ng dalawang binary legs. Binary legs means consumer group sa kaliwa at sa kanan. So kung naglalakad ka, 'di ba? Laging may paa, kaliwa at kanan. Walang registration fee. Hindi ka magmamakaawang mag-register ang mga tao kasi libre. Okay? I-offer mo lang sa iba. Pero karamihan sa Pilipino, since libre, hindi pinapansin. Okay? Hindi pinapansin. Kahit ako, aminin ko, nung una, tinanggihan ko rin si Atomy kasi libre, wala namang mawawala sa akin eh. Yun ang masakit doon. Libre na nga, tinanggihan pa, binaliwala, pero hindi nakita ang oportunidad kay Atomy na pwedeng kumita ng 100,000 in a monthly period. Walang maintenance fee. We will not ask you to buy any starter kit. Okay? Pero may unlimited accumulation. Unlimited accumulation ng points. Huwag magtanong kung bakit ako hindi pa nagka-cashback. Ang tagal ko nang nag-register kay Atomy. Ang unang tanong, may ginamit ka bang produkto ni Atomy? So, bago gamitin, anong unang gagawin? Kailangang bumili ng produkto. At least ginagamit mo. Sa sobrang dami ng produkto kay Atomy, we have more than 100 plus products. In Korea, we have about 600 products. I can't wait for all those products na makarating sa Pilipinas at sa Amerika para lahat naman magamit ko na. Okay? We have all the points in the products that we have on the online shopping mall. So kung hindi nyo pa na-browse, make sure na tingnan ano ba yung mga produktong ginagamit mo na sa ngayon. First question, anong unang-unang ginawa sa umaga? Nag-toothbrush ba? Naghugas ng kamay? Nagsipilyo? Okay, naligo ba? Sa mga products na ginagamit mo ngayon, kahit ibang brand na ginagamit mo, gagamitin at gagamitin mo pa yan. So, decide. Ilang taon pa akong mabubuhay? Just kidding. But all I'm saying is, in the last 40 years, in the last 50 years, and like my mom, in the last 70 years, kasi 70 years old na siya, before Atomy, binayaran ka na ba habang nagsisipilyo, naglalaba, at nagkakape ka? Well, Atomy has unlimited accumulation of points. Ibig sabihin, if you are registered as a distributor or if you are registered as an agent, hindi ordinaryong consumer lang ha, you are eligible for the cashback. And ang maganda kay Atomy, you can only sponsor 2 person. Dalawa lang actually. Pero unlimited yung linya mo. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw yan nasa Pilipinas, niregister mo yung lahat ng kapamilya mo at kaibigan sa kaliwa, lahat ng i-register nila, whether you like it or not, magiging part ng team mo. Yun yung tinatawag na left consumer group. So your primary goal is to be an agent. At mamaya, di-discuss natin yung lahat ng points na yan. And then you don't have to leave the Philippines kasi meron tayong Global One Marketing. And yung sinabi ko kanina, income ceiling. So kahit ngayon ka pa lang nagjo-join, kahit pa yung sponsor may naka-plug in sa system pero hindi nag-set ng goal na kumita kay Atomy ng 100K per month, I bet mauunahan mo sila. Totoo ba ang sinasabi ni DM Raylan? Of course! Kasi yung sponsor ko na nag-register sa akin sa Atomy, he is not actively doing it as a business. Pero nagka-cashback pa siya? Yes. Once or twice or minsan 4 times in a month, he will receive a cashback. Pero nagkakaroon ba siya ng mastership bonus na pwedeng makuha twice a month? Hindi, kasi he's not challenging and he's not actively focusing on the points. Ang maganda kahit consumer ka lang kay Atomy, you'll still earn points kahit na mamaya ka mag-decide to do it as a business. Okay, so take note, may mga condition para kumita kay Atomy. Hindi yung nag-join ka lang, feeling mo kikita ka na, pero wala kang ginawa. At least a minimum effort, small steps at a time, pwedeng kumita kay Atomy. Ilang countries ang meron kay Atomy na pwedeng kumita kay Atomy? So, 27 branches. Within Europe, we have 32 countries. So, 27 plus 31, ilan yun? Tama ba? 58? Sobrang dami na, but I think we could register up to global membership almost 100 countries. So, it's just a matter of time para magkaroon ng color blue sa buong mundo. I think the next focus is Africa. So, we'll let you know. Kasi nung nag-start ako, we only have 13. And right now, we have 27 online shopping mall. Madali lang maging member. You just have to know somebody from Atomy, na part na ng Atomy, and then i-register ka nila or bibigyan ka nila ng quick link to register sa Atomy. And even if you don't know anybody, you can sign up. Click Join Us, join Marinduque Global Center, and you'll still be part of the Atomy system. Or click, kung nasa US naman, click Sign Up, join Atomy Atlanta Center. Kahit walang sponsor ID, you can be part of the system. But it's always better to be part yun sa theme na gusto mo. And minimum requirement sa Atomy is kailangan may PIN card. So, sino yung mga nagko-commission na kay Atomy? Yun yung mga account na na-verify yung account, nag-submit ng PIN ID, at saka nag-attach ng bank details. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-login kayo, under the business account, kasi you can have a personal and business account sa Atomy. Once na registered kayo and verified, of course, yan, eligible na kayong mag-cashback. Kung yan, hindi mo ginawa, of course, syempre, saan ipapadala at saka saan ibibigay ni Atomy yung commission? I have a lot of members na nag-commission na, finalo up mo na, uy, paki-upload naman ng tin mo para makuha mo yung 2,400 pesos kay Atomy. Aba, mag-a-upload lang, hindi pa magawa. Magbe-verify lang, hindi pa magawa. Iaasa nyo pa ba sa sponsor nyo na nasa kabilang part ng, ng mundo? So, yung mga little details na yon, kahit alam mong, halimbawa, next month ka pa bibili, pero this is one thing na gusto mo na, ay gusto kong kumita kay Atomy. Ngayon pa lang, kung pwede mong gawin ngayon, mag-submit ng TIN, i-verify ang account, gawin nyo na. Kasi mamaya kung makalimutan mo, at least kung may generous sponsor na, ay ito may binary, sige nga, dito na lang ako magpasa ng points, baka, para kumita siya. Unexpectedly, meron kang matatanggap na pera. Okay? Kasi all the Atomians are generous. You'll be surprised na laging may extra points si sponsor. Okay, difference sa membership kung consumer at distributor. Both kailangan ng sponsor at kailangan gumagamit ng produkto. Ang difference nga lang is yung pag-submit ng ID. Kailangan may TIN ID, government ID, required yon. Sa accumulation naman ng points, personal points pareho nag-accumulate. Kahit consumer ka at this time, yung points ng lahat ng produkto na bibilhin mo sa online shopping mall, hindi mawawala. And never it will expire. If you are registered as a distributor, ibig sabihin, mag-a-accumulate din yung tinatawag na group point value. So, yun lang yung difference. Okay? May group point value si business. Ibig sabihin, eligible sa cashback. Kung hindi naman, parehong personal points lang yung mag-a-accumulate. Pero wag mag-alala. Kung ayaw ibigay ang TIN number, of course, i-register lang sa consumer. This time, hindi na tayo namimilit. Quick link, the way they want it, they can decide. Kung gusto nila consumer lang, let's respect it. Pero lagi nyo sabihin, let me know kapag gusto mo mag-cashback. I'll teach you kung papaano. Kasi sobrang daling mag-cashback kay Atomy. Your household consumption, daily essentials na ginagamit mo on a daily basis is pwedeng maging income kay Atomy through the brand of Atomy. So, kung nag-switch ka ng brand to Atomy, and nagsishare ka ng Atomy, and you are actively activating consumers under you, of course, mag-a-accumulate yung points. So, sa simula, consumer ka lang, nag-switch ka ng brand, nag-switch ka kung paano mag-shop. Instead na sa ibang online shopping mall mag-shop, kay Atomy ka nag-shop. And of course, you love the products of Atomy kasi we have the principle of, anong principle ni Atomy? Okay? Absolute quality, absolute price. Yun yung product philosophy natin. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi mataas ang kalidad ng produkto ni Atomy sa mababang presyo na pangmasa, hindi yan makakapasok kay Atomy. We follow the global sourcing, global sales strategy. Ibig sabihin, yung maganda lang sa bawat country ang pwedeng i-distribute ni Atomy. Okay? We go for the quality first. And then our company will bargain for the absolute price. Kung hindi kaya, of course, hindi pasok sa prinsipyo ni Atomy, hindi yan mai-distribute kay Atomy. And then once you do these things, you are eligible to receive a commission kung registered ka as a distributor. And kapag ka desididong magkaroon ng mastership, ayan, you are a business partner. So, kapag lagi na nagko-consult kay DM Raylen, yan na yung mga business partner. So, sometimes, dati, watak-watak ang aking linya, yan, sira-sira, iba-iba, nagkalat-kalat ang points, pero this time, may consumer na ako sa kaliwa at sa kanan. So, habang bumibili ng produkto kay Atomy, nag-accumulate ng points. And then, you will receive different membership level. Una, agent, special agent, dealer, exclusive distributor. Ang maganda kay Atomy, yung points hindi nag-expire. So, patuloy lang na Nag-grow. Okay. Anong level mo na ba dyan, DM Raylan? Of course, nandun na ako sa 2.4 million kasi I've been part of the Atomy system for the last 5 years. 1 month pa lang, ang bilis-bilis maging agent sa dami ng produkto na ginagamit ko under the Atomy online shopping mall. And then we have different commissions sa Atomy. General commission, mastership bonus. Gano'ng kalimit ang mastership commission? Twice a month. Every 15 days, pwede kang magkaroon ng mastership commission or mastership bonus. And then we will have a change in 2026. I'll let you know kung ano yung mga changes natin sa ating online shopping mall. And of course, sa mga center head, they get the center commission. Okay? Huwag sabihin na yung center lang ang kumikita. Actually, sa simula, mabagal ang kita ng center. Okay? Mas mahal pa yung renta kaysa dun sa center commission, especially kung walang gumagamit. But the education center like this is supposedly for resources to help everyone, kahit anong linya, kahit anong affiliation nyo, kailangang tulungan ng center head. That's why, whether I like it or not, since I'm part of the Atomy system, I am dedicated to teach everyone to how to earn 100,000 per month on every Tuesday. Okay? Kasi kung everyday, although pwede naman gawing everyday, once na full-time na talaga. But for this time, yan muna ang ating commitment with the Marinduque Global Center. At kapag natutunan na kung paano kumita kay Atomy, that your commission is every Tuesday. So, ang system automatic. Once you have a login, meron kayong back office, yung tinatawag na My Office. Automatic na si Atomy na ang nagko-compute. Magko-commission ba ang member na to o hindi? Okay. Every 24 hours, nag-count yan. Eligible na ba for commission or not? Eligible na ba for commission or not? So, wag mag-alala kasi automatic. So, titingnan mo lang, ay, konti na lang ang kulang. Ayan. Kaya, yung mga strategies na yon matututunan nyo kapag nag-a-attend lagi ng meeting. And ang payout, kung nag-commission from Wednesday to Tuesday, ibibigay ni Atomy next Tuesday. Okay? Nung una, nag-commission ako once a month lang. Tuwan-tuwa na ako kasi $60. Ba, walang ibang online shopping mall or tindahan nagbibigay ng $60 on a monthly basis. Sabi ko nung una, $60 man ito at this time, I bet in the future, magiging 100,000 per month din ito in the future. Imagine kung daily ka nagko-commission ng $60 or $2,400, 2,400 pesos, except Sunday ha, 6 times in a week. I bet mas malaki siya sa kita ng isang empleyado sa Pilipinas. So, please evaluate ha. Ito ang potential income kay Atomy. Kung sakaling toothbrush, toothpaste lang ang binili mo, and make sure na kapag nag-member kay Atomy, I bet mauubos mo naman yon. 970 pesos, 8 toothbrush, 8 toothpaste, meron ka ng more than 10,000 points. Okay? Ang minimum requirement is you just have to buy one product per year para hindi ma-expire, para hindi ma-terminate, para hindi maging gray box. Okay. Kung gusto mong maging distributor, dapat ang kulay ng box mo ay either green or blue. Kapag purple, ibig sabihin consumer ka pa lang kay Atomy. And minimum requirement para mag-commission or magkaroon ng cashback is makakuha ng 300,000 points sa left side at saka 300,000 points sa right side. So, hindi ikaw yung bibili, but the consumers are buying. And hindi mo rin sila pipilitin, but you will share the benefits of the products, kaya paulit-ulit din nilang bibilhin. So, kung may auto-consumer ka na, at ikaw mismo, auto-consumer, ibig sabihin, ikaw mismo gumagamit ng account mo, naglalagin, bumibili, and then you are sharing it to your loved ones and your friends, mag-a-accumulate at mag-a-accumulate ka rin ng points. Once you become an agent, 300,000 points. Same effort. 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right side, you get a commission of 2,400. Okay. Sa mga nagsisimula, ulitin ko ha kasi this is an important point value. There's actually a hack. Kahit ito nga lang ang bilhin mo, kung talagang sobrang dami mong consumer sa ilalim, eventually, in the future, you will still earn the same as the agent. Oh, ayan. Ano kaya yung secret ni DM Raylan na yon? Okay, so, hindi ko i-share ngayon kasi meticuloso. But, All I'm saying is, walang puhunan kay Atomy. But if you are serious to earn 2,400 pesos on a daily basis, or kahit yung pinakamababa, 800 pesos on a daily basis, siseryosohin mo ba si Atomy? Ako nga, nurse na sa USA, pero siniseryoso ko si Atomy kasi ang goal ko is $100,000 on a monthly basis. Uulitin ko, yung 800 pesos on a daily basis is, I bet, mas malaki kesa sa minimum wage na ino-offer ng Pilipinas. Kaya sinasabi ko na mas maganda oportunidad si Atomy. Okay, same effort, 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right, you will get 2,400. So, na-triple na kaagad yung iyong income just by becoming an agent. Paano ba maging agent? Okay? So, if you're serious in doing the business, this Atomy, at part ka ng sistema ko or ng team ko, sabi mo, di Umbrellan, I'm so serious. Tell me how to earn 300,000 points in a sa personal point value. Siyempre, lahat ng bibilhin mo na products, kapag kailangan mo na, mag-a-accumulate, hindi ma-expire. You can also join Rally Anatomy Challenge para makakuha ng free 10,000 points or up to 300,000 points sa gift-giving raffle. So maraming paraan, okay? Magpa-order, bumili ng produkto, sumali sa mga challenges, and then consistently do it. And then you have to build the consumer group. Help two people. Sino bang gusto mong ka-team? Sino ba yung gustong kumita rin? Okay, do it all together. Help two people who will help two more people. Okay? Simple. Napaka-stable na income. Ikaw, may dalawa kang tutulungan, hindi lang para siya. May dalawa kang tutulungan para kumita. And then yung may tutulungan na yon, kailangan din nila maghanap ng dalawang tutulungan. Yan ang natutunan ko kay Atomy. Kasi nung una, sabi ko, napakaganda ng produkto ko ni Atomy. Huwag mo ipagsabi sponsor na gumagamit ako ng beauty product ni Atomy. Okay, it's a wrong notion. Okay, so, para mas maging malinaw, okay, bigyan ko kayo ng ibang example kung paano makikita sa inyong app na kumita ba kay Atomy. Okay, this person is exclusive distributor. Siguro aking account pala to. Nung 2024 yung screenshot. Okay, so meron ako sa kaliwang 467,350 points. Sa kanan, 54,800. May kita ba? Wala. Sorry, nag-jump. Okay. May commission ba? May cashback ba? Wala. Okay, comment. Unang comment. Okay, walang commission. Kasi ano sabi ko kanina? 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right side, you get a cashback. Okay? So, nung nag-challenge ako, sabi ko, ilan na lang ang kulang para magkaroon ako ng commission. Siyempre, yung i-follow up ko, yung consumer group ko sa right. Hoy, mga friends, may bibilhin ba kayo? Oh, di ba? Or kung kamag-anak ko yan, sasabihin ko, oy, bili na kayo ngayong date na to. Ilagay nyo ha, 10-1 para mag-commission ako. Tulungan nyo ako. Kung ayaw gawing business, at least use the toothpaste ni Atomy. Okay. And then, October 2. Okay, ito na yung accumulation ng points. Parang ang bagal, hindi pa rin nag-commission si D. Umbrella noong 10-1. Tingnan natin nung 10-2. Okay, 141,000 points na yung sa right side. My God, ang bilis ng consumer sa left. Nasa 540,000 points na yung sa left. Nag-commission ba si D. Umbrella o hindi? Hindi pa rin. Kasi minimum requirement is 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right. If you are actively challenging for a sales mastership, ang una mong tanong is, alan ang kulang para sa unang komisyon? And then, on a daily basis, your goal is 300 sa left, 300,000 sa left, 300,000 sa right side para maging balance. Okay. And then, on this example, 245,100 sa left, 243,500 sa right side. Nag-commission na ba or hindi? Nag-commission. Hindi nag-commission kasi kulang pa rin. Konting-konti na lang ang kulang. So, anong gagawin ni D. Umbrellan? Yung left consumer ko ng himuhim, oy, bumili ka na ng isang himuhim, ilagay mo ng 10-10 a date, ha? Okay, ganun din sa right side. Okay, pa-follow up natin. Oh, this is the best time to buy your himuhim, 10-10. Okay, kung may pa-raffle, syempre, bibigyan natin ng raffle number kung bumili for that particular day. And as you continue buying the products, magkakaroon na ka na rin ng 700,000 points. Kapag may 700,000 points na, you're eligible for a higher commission. Okay, so kung dati 300 lang yung pwede mong maging match or cycle or pairing, this time, kapag may 700,000 points na yung account mo, pwede ka na rin and eligible ka na sa pairing na 700,000 points. So, doble na uli. Imagine, plus or minus, you can earn 5,000 on a daily basis. Okay? Daily basis. Kapag each time na mag-accumulate up to 700,000 points. Paano di Amrylin kung on the particular date, 700 na yung kaliwa, pero yung kanan, 335,500. Ano ang commission? Okay. Napakaganda na lang, no? So, ang commission mo is kagaya dun sa 300,000 na pairing. Meron ka rin lang na 2,400. Kaya, dapat pag nag-e-effort, massive action talaga para tuloy-tuloy. Pero wag mang hinayang kasi hindi mo naman lahat effort yan eh. Kunting laway lang ang puhunan kay Atomy, kunting follow-up lang. Yung iba nga, nabigyan na ng points, mamaya 40 million na yung kaliwa, wala pa rin ginagawa. So, it's a waste. Kaya dapat laging tinitingnan ang inyong account. Ilan na ba ang aking points? Ilan na ang points sa kaliwa? Paano ba mag-build ng right consumer group? Okay, yan yung mga tatanong niyo sa sponsor. If you are a dealer, 1.5 million, ito na yung pwede ka mag-challenge to become a Diamond Master. At kapag nag-match ka ng 1.5 million, 1.5 million, you get 10,000 on a daily basis. Habang nag-accumulate ng 1.5 million sa kaliwa, 1.5 million sa kanan. Kung 300,000 up to 300,000 points ang pairing, magkano commission? 2,400 pa rin, minus taxes. Okay. As an exclusive distributor, kung may 2.4 million sa left, 2.4 million sa right side, 15,000 ang commission. Kung halimbawa naging 6 million naman, 30,000. And then yung ceiling natin. Ceiling is kahit pa maging 400 million yung kaliwa mo at 500 million yung kanan, up to 60,000 pesos pa rin yung inyong daily commission. Okay. Eligible na ba si DM Raylan sa gantong commission? Of course, kung it's a miracle na meron pumasok sa araw na ito na 50 million sa kaliwa at meron pumasok na 50 million sa kanan, pwede ko yung matanggap. But in all honesty, kahit distributor ako, I could, nagko-commission pa lang ako ng, yun sa una, yung pangalawa, 2,400 on a daily basis. Hindi pa nga daily minsan every 2 or 3 days, okay? Depende kung anong araw or anong ginagawa ko for that particular week. Pero nakakatuwa, we have the mastership bonus, okay? Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star, Royal, Crown, and then Imperial Master. 7 levels lang. And the company will return 20% of the entire sales PV. Ibig sabihin, in a particular challenge period, kapag ka nag-challenge ka, lahat ng naging Diamond Master on the certain period, lahat ng naging Sales Master on the given period, pinaghahati-hatian yung global sales PV. 20% nun, hahatiin. Okay? Hahatiin. Kaya, yung sa Sales Master at Diamond Master, mas malaki yung nakukuha ng Sales Master kasi nasa 10% out of the Mastership bonus. And then the rest, equally, not equally, but may percentage na. At habang tumataas, maliit na lang yung share nila. Pero Imperial Master kahit maliit yung percentage nila, sa dami ng global PV, sobrang laki pa rin. Okay. This is a drawing na, aywan ko lang kung naintindihan ng iba, but it's easy when you decide and you challenge and you take action as a team. Let's say, ako si sponsor A1 and you are new in the system. Sabi ko kanina, maghanap ng 2 tao na gustong kumita kay Atomy. Yung 2 tao na yun, maghahanap ng 2 tao na gustong kumita kay Atomy. And yung 2 yun, maghahanap ng 2 tao na gustong kumita kay Atomy. Do the same thing. Mag-sponsor, mag-register, maghanap ng consumer sa kaliwa at sa kanan. If your effort is on a weekly or on a 15-day period or on a monthly basis, nagsishare ka at nagmumove ka ng products up to 300,000 points, ayan, madali lang maging sales master. With this strategy, lahat ng leaders na to pwedeng kumita kay Atomy. First level will earn at least 1 commission. Second level will at least earn 2 cashback. Third level would at least earn 4 to 5 cashback. Tama ba? Okay? And then yung sales master, ilang commission? 8 commissions. Okay? Pero ako as a sponsor, of course, meron din akong right side. Okay? That is just one side. So, when you decide, make sure mag-consult sa sponsor. And then, when you challenge, no, prepare for 3 months. May mga 3 months prep, 2 months prep, merong 1 month preparation to be successful in doing this. Yun yung medyo mabagal. If you're aggressive, you can do that in 15 days. Requirements to become a sales master, you decide for the day, either 1 to the 15 or 16 to the end of the month. Accumulate 2.5 million sa left and then 2.5 million sa right side to become a sales master. Last week, sabi ko, I'll share to you 4 strategies on how to become a sales master. Kasi iba-iba ang condition natin. Iba-iba ang condition ng account to become a sales master. Even as an exclusive distributor, I have to challenge to become a sales master. Una is your basic. Your personal point value needs to have 700,000 points. And then, kailangan mag-accumulate ng points sa left and sa right. Hindi yun nag-expire, but the system would only count in that particular given period. Okay? Hindi yung unang day ngayon, may 40 million ka na naghihintay, hindi yun kasama sa bilangan. So, iba ang bilangan ng General Commission, iba ang bilangan ng Mastership Bonus. Kung ikaw naman ay may agent na may 300,000 points, and you want to challenge to become a sales master, especially sa Singapore, 'di ba? Meron tayong double commission or double bonus, ganun din sa USA sa mga newly promoted. Ang gagawin mo na lang is 2.5 million sa kaliwa, 2.1 million sa kanan kasi kulang ka pa ng 400,000 sa iyong personal account. Okay, wag masyado malito. Pero kung nakakalito, mag-plug in uli or magpa-101 kay DM Raylen. Di ba na-duplicate na yung 400,000 points? Idadagdag dun sa kanan para maging 2.5 million and you'll become a sales master. Strategy number 4, paano kung special agent na ako and I want to become a sales master again? And sa account ko, during this period, you can buy 300,000 points kasi nag-iipon ka rin ng points kasi in the future, you want to be a diamond master. Huwag mag-alala kasi kahit special agent ka na, yung lahat ng binili mo under your account, maduduplicate yun, mabdadagdag sa iyong small leg. So, 2.2 na lang ang kailangan sa kaliwa, 2.5 or pwedeng baliktad, 2.5 sa kaliwa, 2.2 sa kanan. Kung saan man, kailangan ng points. Strategy number 4. Halimbawa, 300,000 points ka lang. Paano DM Raylen, nung nanood ako ng Success Academy, merong agent na na-promote sa Sales Master. Hindi siya 700,000 points. Pero bakit siya naging Sales Master? O, diba? Napaka-generous ni company. Kasi kapag ka masipag ka at in the last 30 days, nag-accumulate ang iyong small leg ng 1.4 million. O, ibig 30 days ha. So, in the first 50, nag-challenge ka 700,000 points sa left, 700,000 points sa right. And then on the second period, nag-challenge ka ulit 700,000 points sa left, 700,000 points sa right. So, ilang commission na yun? 1, 2, 3. Nag-4 commission ka last month. Kung ganun na nangyari sa system mo, kahit ganito yung account mo, you are eligible for a sales master promotion in the next period. So, kapag nag-accumulate ka ng 2.5 million sa left at 2.5 million sa right side, at ang previous activity mo is may 1.4 million sa left side and sa right side in the last 30 days, you can be promoted to become a sales master. O, di ba? San ka pa? Napaka-generous ni Atomy Company. So, if you don't know this, it's okay. The system will still recognize this and your account to be promoted. Ibibigay nila sa inyo ang gift. So, ngayon sa Pilipinas, ito yung ating regalo. Kung ma-achieve mo ang Sales Master. Kasi meron tayong one-time promotional gift. Ito yung Himuhim, the Fame Set, and Evening Care 4 Set. So, hanggang December na lang natin matatanggap itong mga gifts na ito. Bakit? Kasi starting January 1, 2026, we will receive 20,000 pesos cash reward instead. Okay? So, iba yung bonus, iba yung gift, promotional gift, iba din yung commission. Okay? This is a one-time, yung first time mong ma-promote as a sales master, you will receive this in the future. This time sa Pilipinas, eto pa rin yung marireceive natin. And then next year, we will receive the cash. So, let's compute. Magkano ba ang income ni sales master in a 15-day period? So, last period, 1 to 15, kung nagkaroon ka ng 8 commission, 2,400 times 8, tama kaya ang aking 19,200 in a 15-day period. Commission pa lang yon. Bakit 8? Kasi nag-commission ako, nag-pairing ako ng 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right side. Times 8, yan yung aking commission. And I bet, generous ang aking sponsor, yung kulang na 100,000, she doesn't mind to give it to me. Kasi kung kulang ko lang 100,000, madali na yung i-rally. Kasi bibili ako ng himuhim. And of course, mastership bonus, actually, this is a conservative computation. Ito lang yung nakita ko na amount na pumasok during the Philippine Challenge. But most of the time, this is computed between $400 to $450 for the mastership bonus. Okay. Last period, I think I have about $400. So, sa Pilipinas, minus taxes, aabot ng 18,000. And then yung cash gift sa 2026, kasi wala nang gift, cash na, plus 20,000 pesos. So roughly, plus or minus, depende kung gaano karami kayo nag-commission or ilang beses kayo nag-commission during the challenge period. So in a 15-day given period, you can earn as much as 57,000 pesos. Okay. So yan yung first level ng income. Kaya auto sales master sa Pilipinas pwedeng kumita ng 100,000 pesos on a monthly basis. Ibig sabihin, first period, second period, parehong sales mastership is na kamit niya. And then Diamond Master, ang gift na hindi na makaka-receive ng mga products in the future kasi this time nakaka-receive ang Diamond ng laptop, himuhim at saka evening care faucet, I believe sa Pilipinas. This time, meron na tayong cash award, 60,000 pesos for a new Diamond Master starting January 1, 2026. And this time, you just have to duplicate yourself. Ilang sales master ang kailangan mo i-duplicate sa kaliwa at sa kanan. Okay, may mga strategies yan. Yung effort mo na 300,000 points, kung consistent mo ginagawa yon, you can easily do that as a team. Sharon Rose Master, ito po yung cash award. Kailangan mo lang mag-produce or magtumulong sa dalawang Diamond Master sa kaliwa at sa kanan. And then you will get 80,000 pesos as a cash award. And then meron ng travel voucher. Pwede na mag-travel with your spouse or with your daughter kung sino man gustong isama. Star Master, like Star Master Joseph Ann. So, ito yung cash award na na-receive nila. Aside from the commission, iba pa yung commission ha, kasi Star Master Joseph, I believe, nagmamatch siya ng 2.4 million is to 2.4 million almost on a daily basis. On a daily basis, he's getting something. Okay? 2.4 million is to 2.4 million. Sino nakakaalala, magkano yung commission ng 2.4 million is to 2.4 million? Okay, comment nga kung naalala. Okay, kung Royal Master naman, you will get 2 million pesos as a cash award. And then per month, may sponsorship activity, travel voucher, at saka car rental fee. So, kailangan lang sabay-sabay yung dalawang Star Master sa kaliwa at dalawang Star Master sa kanan mag-challenge and maging successful during the chosen period. Crown Master. So, yung mga dating Star Master, ipopromote mo, tutulungan mo maging Royal Master. Dalawa sa kaliwa, dalawa sa kanan, then you will become the Crown Master. O, diba? And last but not least, yung Imperial Master. Yung dating Royal Master, or kung may mas mabilis at mas gustong maging Crown Master, you will promote that. You will plan that challenge. Dalawa sa kaliwa, dalawa sa kanan, and then you will become an Imperial Master. Highlight ko lang yung gifts na marireceive ng isang Imperial Master. 40 million cash award. 400,000 pesos na monthly Imperial Master activity. Overseas travel for 10 days and 11 for 10 nights and 11 days. Merong pa kotse na luxury car, yung driver, babayaran ni Atomy. Kasi pag Imperial Master ka na, sabi ng mga Imperial Master na ko, they're not allowed to drive. Someone has to be driving for them. So, babayaran ni Atomy yung driver mo. And then, of course, Atomy will also give you office, kasama yung executive secretary, pati yung monthly salary nila. Okay? Lahat ba tayo pwede maging Imperial Masters? Pwede. Okay, lahat ba tayo magiging Imperial Masters? Yes, kung gugustuhin natin. So you have to set that goal sa inyong mindset. Kung hindi mo nakikita yan, well, hindi yan mangyayari sa'yo. Ako, I can see myself becoming an Imperial Master. And kagaya ng pinakahuling Imperial Master natin, last month, ito, siya. She was given the 1 billion Korean won sa stage, o, di ba? Naka-forklift. So, panoorin ang kanyang presentation or award presentation sa ating channel, Atomy, kung na-miss nyo yung kanyang promotion. So, in your lifetime, kung nag-Atomy ka, let's say it took that Imperial Master took her 15 to 16 years para maging Imperial Master. Ang total promotion mo na matatanggap in your lifetime, simula ngayon hanggang maging Imperial Master ka, is nasa 54 million. And take note, this is just the promotion, yung mga one-time promotion gift each time na nag-elevate ka ng status or ng yung mastership level. Bukod pa yung General Commission, bukod pa yung mastership bonus na paulit-ulit na binibigay ni Atomy. Okay. Sa mga ngayon pa lang naririnig si Atomy at ang napakagulong presentation ni DM Raylan kung paano kumita kay Atomy kasi parang ang hirap ilagay sa words, especially in Tagalog. But just know this, okay? Atomy is an opportunity in a business that would cut the poverty in your lifeline, okay? Kung hindi kayo naniniwala, wala na po akong magagawa. But sana makita niyo yung oportunidad na even as an auto sales master, achieving sales mastership 12 times a year, you will receive this kind of pay. Paano kung mas automatic pa? 24 times a year. So $1,000 in a 15-day period times 12 months is more than $1 million pesos sa Pilipinas. So, my goal is to help you achieve the auto sales mastership. But you have to set that goal. You have to set that goal. And know the activities that you need to do. Okay? Ako, I'm just having fun doing Atomy, sharing Atomy. My next goal is to be part of the Leaders Club na kumikita ng more than $100,000 on a yearly basis or 4 million pesos in a year. Okay? Kung nasa auto sales master ako, sabi ko dati, in 3 to 5 years, kaya kong mag-retire in doing Atomy. If the marketing plan, whatever the marketing plan is saying is true, I can truly retire in doing Atomy. Bakit? Kasi yung $2,000 is 100,000 pesos sa Pilipinas. Mas simple ang buhay sa Pilipinas, malapit ka pa sa pamilya mo. But is that enough? Kung nakatira ka sa ibang bansa, is that enough in sa US? So, set your goal. Magkano income ang gusto mong kitain kay Atomy? Okay? And then consult kung paano nyo ma-achieve yan. Kung ang goal mo is 20,000 pesos from Atomy, sobrang dali yang kitain kay Atomy. But you have to set the goal and you have to take the first step para matutunan si Atomy at kung paano kumita kay Atomy. You at least have to love the products. You have to at least plug into the system. I can honestly say, kapag hindi ka naka-plug in sa system, marami kang mamimiss. Okay? Kasi ako nga, I'm not so, paano ko ba sasabihin? May namimiss ako kasi especially yung mga one-day seminar ng Pilipinas every Thursday. Hindi ko na halos napapanood yung replay kasi every week meron. But for someone na gustong-gustong maging successful kay Atomy, in the first year of doing this business, on a daily basis, twice a day, talagang naka-plug in kami sa sa meeting. Kasi yun lang yung way para matutunan si Atomy. It took me more than a year para maintindihan si binary. It took me more than a year para maging sales master. It took me almost 2 years para maging auto sales master. But you have to start with something. A small step at this time para matutunan si system. Lagi natin sinasabi, ride the bus. Buy, use, and share. At least buy the product. I'm not asking you to buy para kumita ko. I'm asking you to buy so you can experience the product and you can share your own story with the product. Without the product that you love, you will not be successful in Atomy. Kahit isa lang. Sa dami ng produkto kay Atomy, you must at least love one product kay Atomy. Okay? You must at least love one product kay Atomy. So check your schedule for the regional seminar, webinar, Success Academy one-day seminar. Meron tayo this coming December dyan sa Pilipinas, we will have a Success Academy. If you are watching other Success Academy around the globe, we have in India, we have in America, we have in Korea. Everyone is moving fast and doing whatever it takes to become successful in Atomy. That's why I'm so grateful to be part of the Atomy system. I am trying and I'm still learning and doing my best to be part of this system, and I hope I can give back to the company. Napaka-generous ni company, and I hope through the Marinduque Global Center, I can inspire you, teach you, and lead you to small steps para maging successful kay Atomy. I can't wait to promote my next sales master in Marinduque Global Center. So let's plan and challenge together. Okay? Congratulations sa mga nag-join ng Himuhim Challenge. You will receive the gift from the Atomy Philippines. And eto, Christmas Best Kit is available sa Atomy Philippines. Yung 300,000 points. Okay, eto na. Kung mag-challenge ka, sarap mag-challenge sa Pilipinas, lagi ang daming offer. Maghanap ng consumer na bibili ng mga produkto na ito. The Fame, Himuhim, Absolute Skincare Set, Omega-3, and Vitamin C. If you can find 8 consumers sa left and 8 consumers sa right side, bibili ng produkto na ito, you are a sales master. O, diba? Ang dali. Alin mas madali? Maghanap ng 5 na bibili ng kada isang produkto or maghanap ng isa na bibili ng lahat ng ito. Para mas madali yung maghanap ng isa na bibili nito. So, kung nasa Pilipinas ako, sasabihin ni Romel, "Oy ate, magcha-challenge ako." Sabi ko, "Okay, sige. Ito yung product na bibiling ko." Kasi magcha-challenge yung kapatid ko ng sales master. Kasi lahat yan gagamitin ko. Okay? That's easy. Okay. Also in the Philippines, we have the Arami Santa Grant a Wish activity. Ayan, basahin ko anong requirement. Mag-attend ng Success Academy, mag-participate, okay? Magpadala ng sulat kay Dear Atomy Santa. Huwag kalimutan ilagay ang pangalan at ID. Take a photo of the letter bago ilagay dun sa Christmas tree. Okay? Seriously, Atomy, sa pagbibigay ng mga gifts, ha? This is a very generous company kasi yung mga sinasabi nila, use this hashtag, use this, da. Kapag finalo nyo, yung sinasabi ni Atomy Philippines Facebook, you will receive it. Okay? Recipients kami yan. Ako, si SM Ping, si SM Belen. We have won different gifts just by participating actively sa mga activities ng Atomy. Okay. Winners will be announced sa December 16, 2025. So, wag nating kalimutan. And of course, Rally Atomy, naku, bakit kulang ng slide? Okay. So, para sa akin naman, Rally Atomy Challenge, Rally Atomy, hashtag Rally Atomy Challenge, meron ako on a monthly basis. So, hanapin lang, i-search nyo yung mga hashtag Rally Atomy Challenge kung mag-appear sa inyo. Of course, sa Go Sales Master Camp is on 3rd week. Lahat kayo may access sa Go Sales Master Camp. The website is ch.atomy/go. Kung matapos nyo inyong Go Sales Master Camp, email nyo sa Marinduque Global Center and let me know so you can be included sa raffle and get gift giving. And then this coming December, we have 12 days gifts of Christmas from Marinduque Global Center and Rally Atomy 101. Okay, that's all the announcement that I have for this particular Zoom. And I would like to call the center head of the Atomy Atlanta Center, Star Master Joseph Ann, to greet and say hi to all of you. The floor is yours, Star Master Joseph.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for, watching for Facebook, live. And yeah, Atomy, we just wanted to invite to the Atomy, just plug into the Atomy business. Atomy business is very simple. Just when you use a product, we are all of the but Atomy product literally user. So why don't you do it? Just join, free join, and Marinduque Global Center under, and what just use it as product. We give it a chance to the earning for, but retirement and third generation inheritance and what financial freedom and time freedom, your future. And atomic business is very simple. Just you can sign up. You can just order for the one or two what atomic product. You love it. You can use more, and then just spread out your neighborhood, your friend. That is business, and consumption is business. Atomic business will be delivered. Really, what atomic business will be delivered to you in financial freedom and time freedom and third generation inheritance and your retirement. Atomic company, when you do atomic business, atomic take care of it, most of everything. I'm really thank you so much. Thank you so much. What the Marinduque Clover Global Facebook, live. Thank you.
Thank you, Star Master Joseph Ann. Okay, so lahat po na nanonood at natapos ang presentation nito, make sure you comment 100K. Okay. O, binibilang ko yan ha. Last week, ilan lang nag-comment. So may raffle ticket sila. For the previous challenge dun sa nag-commission, I think we only have SM Bilen to answer that particular challenge. And tama yung first two answer niya. The last one is incorrect. So, check SM Bilan why your last answer is incorrect. Pero, yung mga simpleng ganon, libre yan, simpleng tanong, let's just have fun doing Atomy and we can all be successful in doing Atomy. So, paalam sa mga Facebook viewers, I hope may natutunan kayo. Next week, I would share to you strategies on how to become an auto sales master. Yung paulit-ulit na nagkakaroon ng cash bonus sa Atomy. So, see you again next Tuesday. I love you all. Bye!